Hello friends, today I'm doing another video which will be unboxing of UGG Australia boots, and this time I got higher model UGG Australia Classic Tall, because it's here cold in Massachusetts, around Boston area. It's getting colder and colder, and I needed some higher version of my UGG boots too. It came in this big box, and even in bigger box, but other box I throw out because it takes much space. So this is UGG Australia Woman Classic Tall 2. In color, I've got in color chestnut. In size 10. I wear normally 9.5, but in Uggs actually I got 10 because they seems to get like very narrow. The newer version get more narrow, so I've got size 10. So let's open it. So they are packed in this tissue paper here. And let's see. Here is the boots. I think they are with this thingy. They are like separated to not get damaged. So here will be thumbnail. Okay, let's see how they look. So the number 2 Uggs looks like this. Color chestnut. They come with this inserts and with other insert here. So inside they are nice and fluffy, but I don't like the way they are. Not the worst quality, I think. As the fur is a little thinner. Like it's not as thick as in my other. For example, here I have old UGG Australia. Look. They are 3 buttons. See? They are, I bought them not in store but online. But they are original. And they are very nice, fluffy fur. See? It's really, and it's maybe 10 years now, those Uggs. But they are natural fur, and you see it's very natural and kind of thick. And this one's new. Look how thin they are. Maybe here they are a little also flatten out from that insert, but still they're not that thick. And they also change the fur inside, because it's, they added some, I think they adding some different, like UGG Pure or something it's called, and that fur is more different structure, is more like, it's like you hear like it's even different structure, and it's not like cozy and sleek, but it's more evaporated and dry, or it's not that nice, but it's like dry. I don't know, maybe it's just my Uggs. Also my other Uggs, actually the newest from Victoria's Secret, they still have nice fur and also more dry because they were painted, but way thicker than these ones. Look. These ones are kind of thin, so this I don't like. This part about they should, because this model is really expensive. Normally full price is $200, so for $200 we should put more thicker layer of fur, like the customer expect, and they get cheaper and cheaper in quality. Like even my other old ones, where are they? Here, and I showed you how I clean. They have nicer fur inside, see? It's more cozy, more sleek, not so dry when you touch it. It's thicker layer, slightly at least, because this one, look, this is old ones, these are new ones. Do you see the difference? Because I see the difference. So we should little bit pay attention to the quality, because if they will keep lower and lower quality, customers will try to avoid them or not continue buying products, as they will be disappointed and they will start looking somewhere else. I'm not saying that it's bad product fully, because it's not. It's still valuable, but it's really not as good as it used to be. Even other customers saying it in comments, that maybe that adding pure fibers into the fur, maybe it created worse experience. That fur is not as plush, it's more like fake now, and it's not as thick. I don't know. So I don't know if I really want to keep these boots. Maybe I should return it. Because even here, look how thin it is, this part. It should be more thick. And these ones are original. I got them on Ag.com. No, not Ag.bots. Ag.com. So they are original, but just they are not the same as I am used to. They are not the same. The quality here is kind of the same, but they putting some protector over them, so they also have some, like here they look weird, but at least they won't be waterproof. Yeah, but stitching is fine. Back looks like this, so we have this UGG sign. And inside, this inside sole is really also nice. I feel the nice fur. Just this fur is not nice. It's like very dry. I don't know why, but I don't like that. And I don't know if they will keep me warm. in the cold Massachusetts winter. Because they're so thin here. These ones, old ones, I have, and they are much better. Look, thicker, really nice. Oh, I have even dupes from Kirkland boots. They are also nice and thick. I bought them also over 6 years ago. Now they don't make them, but you can get some of those at eBay, but very not much anymore because they stopped producing. But this is really also nice model because look how thick the fur is. Very nice and thick. See? And very nice, not so dry, and it's real sheepskin. This one seems like it's changed and now it's not the same anymore. It's not as good as it used to be. Even it's hard to make it like this way. Flip it. Oh, when you flip it, see, it's not that good. You can tell it's something changed. When I flip this once, let's see. Oh, these ones flip easily, and look how thick. And these new ones here, they look terrible. Not the same at all. I still like them and probably will keep. But it's disappointing that it's worse quality. See? Really worse. So I don't even think if we'll continue buying tall models because they're really not as good as other models, because these ones still have thicker layers, so this is still thick, but tall model, I don't know, very thin. I would try them on. So here they are. You can see they are like this. But they're a little wide here. Why are they so wide? Thought they would be more adjusted, because ankle don't need so much here, so much space, and calf is more narrow, but here is wide. Or maybe it's that way, the tall model. I don't know, they feel weird. I guess they're fine. Just I'm not used to them. Maybe with wedding they will adjust. So here they are. I put them now without socks. They would look good with skirt even. Also not too bad, just I'm a little disappointed with the lining, that it's not as thick as in past. Here yeah, they not too bad, but they are worse quality than in past. Yeah, so these are my Uggs. I think that now you pay for the company like Uggs and not for the quality, because quality is getting worse but the price getting up. So I think they make you pay for that things like advertisement, good customer service, good return policy, but they don't put the same amounts of money into the quality anymore, because it seems like quality is worse. They should also invest in quality when they doing products, so that customers are happy, and they seems like they worsening quality. Okay, that's it for my video today. Hope you enjoy. I want to be sincere and not lie that I super excited. I was excited, but I'm not super happy with the quality of product, and I want to others to be aware that it's going down. Maybe it's my pair. Maybe if you have luck, you will get better pair of boots with nicer fur inside, but I think it's something going on in general. But it's still a nice product. If you want, I will put link under description. You can get pair of boots too. So thank you for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.